Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger guys with a 3.6 engine. Even if you have a V8 and you're trying to find where the MAF sensor is located, this is the mass airflow sensor. Stay with us, we'll explain in this video today if you are trying to find it, if you have one, if you don't have one, we'll explain why, and we'll explain if you don't have one, what else the computer uses instead of a mass airflow sensor. So make sure you stay until the end, we'll cover very helpful information today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So specifically we have a Dodge Challenger 3.6 VVT engine. Amazing engine by the way, but we'll be taking everything completely apart. The whole Dodge Challenger. We'll be having hundreds of videos how to fix anything from exterior, interior, engines, transmissions and all that stuff. Usually guys, you know that's your air filter box right here, right? This is the air filter box, this is the intake boot right here. It goes to the resonator there, and this is just the engine cover. So I want to actually remove a couple things and show you something here. Okay, that cover is just on a few rubber bushings. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Now usually guys, okay, there are a couple locations where you can find the mass airflow sensor. One of them will be right after the air filter box. Okay, you have a sensor. And the funny thing is, depending on the market where it was built for, it may have a mass airflow sensor depending on the country where it was sold. On others it will not have it guys. For instance, this one does not have mass airflow sensor, and if you follow the resonator right here, it comes to the throttle body, and from there it goes to the upper intake manifold. So no, okay, no mass airflow sensor. But if you guys, okay, pay attention, okay, the engine needs to find out how much air and fuel it's getting. But the air guys is usually calculated through the mass airflow sensor. Since you don't have mass airflow sensor, you will have two other sensors that the engine will use together. If one of them doesn't work, it will be a complete mess to calculate how much air it's getting. One of them is the intake air temperature sensor. This one right here, this calculates the temperature of the air going to the engine, and then you have a MAF sensor, that's the MAF sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor. And using these two sensors together guys, the engine will calculate how much air it's getting, because from the vacuum and the air temperature it can calculate how much air. So if you don't have MAF sensor, don't freak out, you don't have it due to the fact that you have two other sensors that do the same job practically. But if you do, most likely it will be located close to the air filter box. If you guys want to see any specific videos, if you need to buy any sensors, intake, temperature sensor, MAP sensor, anything like that, we will share the links in the description of the video below. If you want to see specific videos, anything you have problems with Dodge Challenger, leave a comment below and we'll try our best when we have time to make the video. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.